Uh, hmm. Oh,
What?
for pity's sakes. I did the same thing.
Seriously?
I did the same thing that you did with the end stone, and I ended up making a mini portal apparently. And now I don't even know where I am as in compared to the portal back. Oh, there it is.
Here, mobs, 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 mobs. What? You come back this instant.
That was strange.
Come and see.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oops. Whoa! I don't have to come and see. I can feel it. Um.
I'm getting some mighty dreadful lag, though.
Yeah. What's going on over here? Whoa! Okay. Ow. 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 Yeah. Ow. Did I say ow?
Have you landed safely in water yet?
No, I ended up on dry land. I started.
Okay, that is
I
the...
got flung into the air.
I got flung in the air twice.
That's because it's the death vortex. I have the ball. Shauna, would you like to have a turn?
What? No, you can keep it.
Okay, the end game is everybody getting a turn to use the death vortex ball. You may have a turn if you like.
Fine, might as well. There it is.
You fire that and it flings things all over the place. That was using multipliers, so it made it more effective. Oh, it's getting dark. It's getting dark. You might have mobs to play with. There's some mobs over here. There's some lag over here, too. Ugh. Yeah, it's getting pretty laggy. They're shadowed over here. Whoa. And then all of a sudden, not over there. Whoop, I'm feeling it. Uh-oh. Yes, you just don't have the destructive instinct of, like, Turner or something like that. Turner ruined us for minutes on end.
You mean like this?
I don't think it works anymore.
Oh, yeah, kind of like that. Eee. I'm gonna run away. But no, I can't run away anymore. That's it, Vortex. Oh my god. Oh no, they're landing on me. Get away, get away. Oh, Shadowed Song is down. Something's blowing up. Oh, I'm blown up too. By a creeper. That's pretty messy. I'm having a really hard time respawning. What did you do, Shauna?
I just had some fun.
You have made Turner proud. You've ruined everything so badly I can't even respawn anymore. Well, technically over there oh, I'm back. Somewhere. Oh, I'm back in bed. Safe and sound. Or at least safely underground. Okay, can I open a chest? No. Where's all of my drops? Bye-bye! Away we go! Oh gosh. Okay, this has dragged me very far away. I believe I may be high in the air now. I'm flying over the moon. I'm in space. I'm in outer space. It's beautiful. Ah! And back I am at spawn. Funny, I didn't even reboot that time. Okay, let's try to get outside again, which is the dumbest thing we could do. Or maybe not. Oh, nope, too late, too late. Whoa! It's definitely taking me far away. There's no point in even coming outside because it's just taking me far away, and then there's another bug. And back we are again. I wonder if I can place a block. I could place a block if I could open a chest. Oh dear. Sean, I can't wait to see your perspective on this. Mine's a little frustrating.
What?
I can't wait to see your perspective on this. Mine's a little frustrating. It's like dragging me into a pit. I can't watch all the chaos. No. Oh, I can watch a little chaos. There's a pig flying around inside here with me.
I'm just watching this little tornado full of mobs. And they keep coming from every direction.
Yes, that's the death vortex for you. I have a very little tornado which consists of one pig. And I keep falling in a hole and not being able to get out. Okay. How can I... Oh, hello. I think I have mobs in here to look at, too.
I'm trying to walk it a little bit farther from the base, so you might be able to take a look, but...
All it's doing is yanking me around violently. Inside the base, I can no longer move effectively.
I'm sorry.
You've been firing these all... Okay. Oh, I moved. Just for a second. Just for a second I moved. I'm really not getting to watch anything very exciting here.
Well, I'm trying to walk it farther and farther from the base so that eventually people can get out.
Oh, I moved for a second and then all of a sudden not. Great.
Yeah, I'm starting to get lots of lag.
You think?
Just a little bit.
Okay, I'm being dragged up very violently.
Whoa.
I wonder... Now, if only I had... Oh! And I opened a chest 3 minutes after I clicked on it. Wow. Okay, grab cobblestone. I grabbed the cobblestone somehow. Oh!
Shadow!
I'm back. Off in the... flying into the sky again. Wow.
Oh shoot, I actually topped out my inventory.
Okay, this is.
I actually topped out my inventory.
You have no idea what I'm seeing here. I'm bursting through the ceiling and flying into space over and over again.
Oh my goodness.
Are you watching all the shenanigans? I can't wait to see your perspective.
Yeah, I was recording, and like I said, I literally exhausted my entire inventory. I now have nothing.
Oh.
I don't even know where the Ender Egg went.
Oh. Now we have to wait for it to settle down if we can. Oh god, it's dragging me into all kinds of places.
And there is a ton of nope out here.
I think it's a bunch of very upset nope. Oh. Okay, cannot see the world. The world is changing seasons. I'm falling from somewhere. Oh god. I'm 182 by minus 176. Where should I be?
172 by 163? Oh damn. Apparently I pissed off a skeleton that's now trying to kill me.
And, okay, Dan's debugging seems to have worked. Now that you've stopped firing the things, several minutes later, we can actually move around, sort of. I will make for our base and see what madness remains. So you lost everything.
Okay,
in your
they
inventory.
are pissed at me. I'm going into the Nether.
I can't imagine why. It's not as if you wrecked the entire fabric of reality.
No, at least the piggies like me.
Yes, they seem to enjoy it.
So far.
We'll have chickens coming down from the sky for hours. Oh, something's still affecting me, I think. Or is it? Maybe it's not.
Okay, Magma Cube, I'm not so happy with you.
But now I can't run away anymore. That's it, Vortex. Oh my god. Oh no, they're landing on me. Get away, get away. Oh, Shadowed Song is down. Something's blowing up. Oh, I'm blown up too. By a creeper.